The heavens declare your majesty. The stars proclaim your endless light. The oceans roar, the mountains rise. All creation sings of Christ. From the dawn of time till now, your hand has never failed somehow. Every breath and every day shows the glory of your way. Olu Ebube Gi.
Chukwu
Oh, Namekowa Maraji. You are mighty, you are great. Your wonders fill the earth and sky.
Olu Ebube Gi,
Olu Ebube Gi. Hey. Oh, Namekowa Maraji. You are mighty, you are great. Your wonders fill the earth and sky. Hey, you make the sun to rule the day, the moon to shine when night appears. Nakagi, ihe niile dị ndụ, Ibu Chike nwere ike niile. Your spirit moves upon the deep. Your voice still speaks your
promise keeps.
Olu Gi zuru oke. Your work are perfect.
My God.
Your glory reigns in all the earth. Olu Ebube Gi.
Chukwu
Oh, Namekowa Maraji. You are mighty, you are great. Your wonders fill the earth and sky. Olu Ebube Gi, loke. Oh, Namekowa Maraji. You are mighty, you are great. Your wonders fill the earth and sky. Oh, who is like you, Lord of glory?
None compares to you.
Onyedikagi.
Chinkem,
Who is like you, my God?
your power has no end.
The heavens bow before you. The earth rejoices too. Olu Ebube Gi. Negosipụta n'ihe niile.
All creation worships you.
Olu Ebube Gi. Hey!
Chukwu
Hey! Namekowa Maraji. You are mighty, you are great. Your wonders fill the earth and sky. Oh, Olu Ebube Gi. Olu Ebube Gi. Negosipụta